Hey, what's up, family? Today we back in the stew with another video, and this one I'm gonna go over Supreme Week 10. It's looking a little mid, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. There's a couple pieces that are decent, but I'm still gonna go over it with y'all. I haven't been posting as frequently lately, but I'm about to get back on it, I promise, bruh. Leave a like on this video, subscribe to the channel, click them post notification bells. We actually hit 19.5, so shout out to y'all for still showing love and supporting. With all that being said, let's get straight to it. This week I'm not gonna hop on the green screen, you feel me? I'm gonna leave that alone this week, and I'm gonna take it back to the OG roots, little pictures on the side right here. That's how we gonna do it. But leave a like, let's get to it, bro. So we're gonna start at the bottom of the list with the dookiest pieces and work our way up to the top. All the way at the bottom we got the Gummo football top. Honestly, there's like this person on the front of this one, and it comes in 4 different colorways. It's like a wraparound tee, has the Gummo on the back. I don't know what this means nor what this is. Let me know in the comments if there's a meaning to this, because honestly I think this shit is basura. I'm not even gonna go for it. I'm telling y'all, bro, it's straight gag. Like, I don't even want this shit. It's bins, bro. Get it up out of here. Next we gonna stay with the little mesh stripper vibe and hop onto this 6-panel classic logo. They wildin', bro. First of all, we do not need basketball short hats ever. Like, just cancel them shits, bro. I remember seeing the Sean John Pele fitteds back in the day. They used to have the little holes and shit on the side, the FUBU joints. I know you've seen those. We never needed those, like, ever, and we still don't need those. So get this shit up out of here, bro. It's bins. Like, we don't need it. We got the Supreme Gummo bathtub tee. This one looks a little creepy, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. It looks like this little kid is sitting down in a bathtub. He's eating spaghetti in the bathtub. I don't know what this shit is supposed to mean, but it definitely looks out of pocket, bro. Like, it don't look like nothing that I would cop in my lifetime, so I'd probably stick away from this one. It says life is great, without it you'd be dead. I feel you, that's cool, but nah, we good. The back of this one has like these little logos on it. Once again, I don't know what this whole Gummo collection is. If it's anything special, please let me know in the comments. Bathtub tee, straight bins, bro. We haven't got no heat yet. The next piece is the cover stitch sweatpants. These come in 3 different colorways, a black and white, almost like this mustardy washed orange color, and then you do have this gray with red stitching. Honestly, my favorite on this would be either the gray with the red or the black with the white, and I'd probably just cop the black and white joints. This striped button-up polo deadass gives me grandpa vibes. Grandpa is out here pimping with the polo button-up. Let me know if your grandfather gonna be rocking this. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be in the black with the white. That looks the most pimpy out of all of these 3 colors right here. The other 2 low-key are beyond mid. I don't with the green with the blue. It's just too much going on with the other ones, but the black and white definitely grandfather 2.0. Let me know if y'all fucking with that shit. I'm good. We do got the Gummo sweater. This one comes in 4 different colorways, and honestly my favorite part about this whole sweater is the tone of brown that they used on the brown hoodie. It has a little letter on the back or a saying. I don't really know what it says. I'm gonna put it on the screen for y'all, bruh. It says cats died, dogs died. A whole like piece right there. They literally put an article on the back of this shit, and then on the front, homie got the Pauly D haircut. We good, bro. Like, I'm good on this shit. The tone of brown definitely is OP on this shit though. Clean tone. The earth tone is a vibe, but everything else about this shit is doo, bro. Like, we good on that. We got the Gummo coaches. This whole week is the Gummo collection, low-key. 3 different colors. We got the black and then the Christmas colors. In my opinion, this is another one of those pieces that's just like, what is really going on? Like, what does this little face on the front of this one mean? I wouldn't even cop this, not gonna hold y'all. The varsity green does look like a decent color for a jacket, but at the end of the day, I don't need this coach's jacket. Still don't know what is the true meaning of this piece, and I'ma just leave it be, bro. Like, some pieces you just gotta let be, and this shit is ass, so we don't need. Let's go to this Gummo.at, another one, bro. Where is Khaled? Like, please slide in.
Another one. Another one.
Who is this lady on the front of this tee? It does look like a Supreme little photo tee with the Supreme logo on the bottom. That's probably the reason that this is a little bit higher on the list. I still don't see anything special on it, bro. Like, there's nothing standing out, calling my attention on this one. We got the Gore-tex leather camp cap. Yes, you heard it, bro. Gore-tex leather. Low-key, this one in the black looked like some OG Eddie Murphy raw pants on your head. Like, I'm good on this one simply because I feel like it looks like a heavy ass hat. I've never had a leather hat, if I'm not mistaken, and I don't know if I want to start now, so I'm for certain not going for this shit. Low-key, Supreme has been kind of mid this past couple weeks, so I just been taking a back seat. I've been taking a back seat, bro. Sometimes it's okay to do that. Next up, we got the cover stitch hooded sweatshirt. This one comes in the same 3 colors that were on the sweatpants earlier. Honestly, same shit as the sweats. I like the black with the white, and then I also like the gray with the red. I feel like it could honestly do without that ugly ass stitching. That's the whole point of this shit. So then again, it's bins, bro. This Supreme Gummo skate deck is probably the best piece out the whole Gummo shit, simply because I feel like artistically or on like a skate deck, it definitely looks better than on the other pieces. I think this is decent. Low-key, if I were to cop, I'd probably cop the one on the left side because I do like the fact that it has more stuff on it. But then again, what does it really have on it? Shit says Slayer. Low-key, if you look at the last picture on the skate deck at the bottom, it looks like some Masonic shit, so I'm probably gonna stay away from that. Low-key, I wanted to ask y'all if you guys would like to see me expose the music industry. That's a lane that I would love to get into. It's something I'm passionate about. Let me know in the comments if y'all would like me to expose all the fuck shit that's going on in music these days. That's a whole topic for another day. 2 different designs on these, and I'm not going for neither, bro. Like, miss me with the bullshit. This tonal monogram silk short sleeve is actually kind of a banger. These actually don't look that bad. In the black color or the mauve color, I feel like this could look pretty clean just sitting by the beach somewhere, you feel me? Popping your collar with a little silky top, you definitely can't go wrong. I see why it's higher on the list. It's actually an item that I would consider going for. I do have a couple shirts from Supreme with this vibe already, so I might just be good on it. Don't get it twisted. I do like the vibe on this one. It almost gives like a luxurious vibe to it, and that's probably what I'm appreciating the most. Let's go ahead and talk about the Silver Surfer leather jacket, bro. This one comes in 2 different colors, almost like this marina dark blue, and then you also do have the black on black. This shit is obviously fully leather. It's a varsity jacket, and it has the big ass Silver Surfer design on the back. On the front, it just has the Supreme branding and almost like this Tron style font. Let me know if I'm tripping, but that's the vibe I got from it. Honestly, it's not a bad jacket. Not my favorite, but not a bad jacket. The black one looks decent. I probably wouldn't spend leather jacket money on this. Y'all already know how that goes. We do got these baggy jeans. Supreme jeans are all baggy, bro. You do not need to make these hoes baggy-er. Like, dead ass, it might just be bell bottoms, bro. Like, I don't know who the fuck liked this shit right here, but if Supreme's regular jeans are dead ass under the sneaker, I can only imagine what the baggy jeans talking about. This is probably year 2005 material right here, and it's bins, bro. Let's not even sugarcoat it. We got to the last 2 items on this list, which are actually accessories. Probably the only things that kind of saved this week, but realistically, do you need these shits? We got the Porcelain hand painted mirror. Y'all already know this shit about to go for like $4,000. I'm dead ass not even bullshitting y'all. This shit probably gonna go from $4,000 to $5,000. These are all hand painted. Last time these shits were numbered. I'm assuming these are actually gonna be some bread, and it's probably gonna be hard as fuck to get. I don't know exactly what they're gonna end up doing with these, but just know these shit's gonna come crazy to the pocket. I remember when they did the Cupid that had the box logo on it, people were getting their shits shipped from Supreme and it would come broken, bruh. Imagine spending $3,000 to $4,000 on some shit from Supreme and that bitch come broken. I'd be fucking heartbroken, dead ass, like shattered. The mirror's like 18 inches big, which is about this big, not that bad, you feel me? It's a decent sized mirror, specifically coming from Supreme, not that bad. Yeah, that shit gonna be beans, bruh. And the last item we do have is the Supreme Ebisu leveler. I actually fuck with this, because when you're moving or you're building shit or you're putting shit up in your house, you need a level, and what better way to do it than with Supreme? Low-key, I might end up going for this shit. I just don't know yet if it's an item that I'm gonna end up spending the amount of money that it might be worth on, but it might bring me back to the live cop segment. You can't go wrong with a level. I already have a fucking saw, a mallet, dead ass, a big ass wrench for toilets and shit, so might as well add a level to the shit. It makes sense in my head at least, so I might end up going for it. Let me know what you guys are gonna be going for this week. There's definitely nothing too special going on, so hey, if you gonna save your money, save that shit respectfully. I respect it, bro. Like, for the past few weeks, I ain't even been going for Supreme, and that's off the simple fact that I have all this Supreme shit. Do I really need a Supreme level? That's what's going through my head right now. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. But yeah, man, that pretty much does it for this video. If y'all enjoyed this one, leave a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel. Come on, bro. 19.5. We on the rise. 20K on the way. Slight bars once again. I hope y'all chasing your dreams today, to be honest. I've been slacking a little bit, but I'm trying to pick it back up. I've deadass been on Nori archives. I've been working. I'm trying to work on my YouTube shit. It's a lot going on, but you just need to maintain. Sometimes you do need that little break so that when you come back twice as hard, but never give up, bro. Deadass, if you have something in your head that you want to do that shit, because somebody else gonna do it before you, and you're gonna be sick. It's happened to me hella times. I'm pretty sure it happened to you before. Grind, bro. That's the only way to keep going forward. Deadass, never stop, always go forward. But with all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.